Sabinus, Sabinus, itu Sabio, Sabinus.
This man. Hello, bros. Excuse me.
How are you, Ade?
Fine, oh. Bros, I beg you. Where are they go?
We lost a dear member. We're going for his burial.
Burial.
Yes.
Hey, yeah, chai. Sorry, oh.
All right. Okay, in.
Hello, bros. Why don't know? They say na burial na they go.
Burial.
They go share rice.
If they see us with cooler, na rice we dey go chop na.
And then go give una rice. I go give them.
Na then go give us rice. Better jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
With fried meat.
Fried meat.
Yes.
That way they get oil.
Oh yeah, Sabia.
I go fit join on. I get cooler.
You go do fast now, unless we go leave you come out. 2, 3, fast.
70 years old man. Ross, well done.
Are you part of us?
Yes, sir.
You know the place?
No.
Oh yeah, feed the last seat. Down.
Oh, wow.
Carry your pot, take the finish side. Okay. Down. Quick.
Okay, there's no time.
Yeah, let's go.
Everywhere just hot.
Oh, Diego. If not be this burial, but now for the rest too. My brother, you dey had the complain. If not be say that guy a better person, I don't come my own better. This have for going on.
My brother, even me too. I think come on, I think make I won't go your own.
Me too. He was a nice guy.
Best way make my better tough. I go make you own tough.
Even when we were all alive, he was dedicated.
If this bus go delay our movement, now to just find one big truck, jam am, everybody disappear, go there. After all, now waiting take our life.
That's a good idea. You see that trailer where they there? Focus on them.
Hello, bros. I want to come down. My mother just called.
Let's move.
Bros, hello, bros. It is what it is.
My name is Pastor Ndoka. Please don't fail to share this video, equally subscribe to my YouTube channel at Wonder the Talk, and God will bless you.